Southwest Florida. Today I want to show you basic maintenance of your air conditioning. Here we have a Lennar air handler, and in the Lennar air handler you're going to have your filter, which is located at the bottom. All you have to do is come in, turn these knobs counterclockwise, and it will pop off. In here you will have your filter. Please note there is a up arrow that indicates on how to install your filter properly. All you would have to do is remove it, and place your new filter in place. Cover goes right back on. Line up the holes, and you will turn your knobs clockwise until they're firmly secure. When changing out your filter, the other thing you want to do is make sure that your water drainage is not plugged. You can do this by pulling the emergency T-switch and checking to make sure there is no water in there. If there is water in here, you'll want to go ahead and view our video that talks about how to unplug your condensate line. If your condensate line has a clean out, it will be specific to each community and each county. But this clean out is where you would take the advantage and put a half a cup of vinegar down in there to help free up any clogged debris. If you should have an emergency issue where your air conditioning turned off and it's not running, please feel free to give us a call after trying our quick tips. This is Eric over at Lennar Homes, signing off.